These are our donated Waitrose, Marks and Spencer's, Co-op and Tesco's community fridge vegetables and fruit parcels that will be going out through the month of April to families in need, those families who have NHS members working for them, and also to church family members who are isolated. We're delighted that we have been awarded a Waitrose community grant, vegetable and fruit grant, which means all this fruit and veg is in date. Today we are aiming to deliver 30 to 40 food parcels through Knaphill, Bisley, Purbright, St John's and Brookwood.